Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to change your Gmail account password. So first of all you need to log in into your account, which account password you want to change. Once you log in into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon. You can see over here, this is my profile, and when you tap on the option you will see this option, manage your Google account option. You need to tap on this option, and when you tap on this option you will see this kind of window. In the right side you need to select security and sign in, and once you select security and sign in, there is an option like password. You need to tap on this option, and once you tap on this option you will see there is an option to change your password. You need to enter your password and you need to confirm your password, and you can tap on change my password button, and by using this method you can easily change your Gmail account password or Google account password. Now if you have any other queries, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.